Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this particular video I am going to explain about base SAS certification question number 37. So let's dive into the question number 37. The question number 37 is the following SAS program is submitted. Data work.look, and here x is equals to 2 is the variable that it is assigned, and some of the conditional statements are also assigned here, and based on the variable x we are assigning the value to y. So let's go step by step to understand what's happening clearly in this particular example. So as you can see here, x is equals to 2 is the variable that we already assigned as x is equals to 2 we assigned it as, and if x is equals to 1 then y is equals to 100. So the first line of code as it explains is we are the example is assigning x is equals to 1, but the actual value of x is 2, so the statement is false. And the next one is, the next conditional statement is if x is equals to 2 then y is equals to 200. So we assigned the value of x as 2 and x is equals to 2 is mentioned in the second if statement. So the statement is correct. If x is equals to 2 then y is equals to 200. So the statement is true. So we should assign the value of y as 200. And the next one is if x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 300. So if x is equals to 3 but the actual statement of x is 2, then we have to not assign the value as 300 because the statement is false. But here you can see the else statement is written, else y is equals to 27. Y is equals to 27 is the else statement. So the else statement is only applicable to the x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 300 there, right? So x is equals to 3, that statement, the else statement is applicable. I will explain you. As you can see here you can see the statement, the same in the PPT I have pasted here. X is equals to 2 is the statement, that the variable that we given, and x is equals to 1. So when x is equals to 1 then we have to assign y, but x is equals to 2 is the statement that we given, and here if x is equals to 2 then y is equals to 200. Yeah, we have assigned x is equals to 2, so we have to assign it as y is equals to 200. And if x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 300. X is not equals to 3, it is equals to 2, so we should not assign the value as 300. So this statement is false and this is right and this statement is false. And as you can see, else y is equals to 27. So the else statement is only applicable for this if statement because this is the last if condition. So the last if condition will only applicable the else statement. So if x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 300, else y is equals to 27. It is not if x is equals to 3 then we have to assign it as 300. If it is not equals to 3 then we have to assign it as 27. If it is not equals to 3 means it may be 2, 1, 4 or anything. So for except 3 we can give anything, else anything we have to give it as 27. So x is equals to 2 then y is equals to 200 is right, but here it is given else y is equals to 27. So the else statement overrides the y statement in the if x is equals to 2 statement. So if x is equals to 2 then we are giving y is equals to 200 is correct, but here the else statement overrides it, and there is a logic here. We have to understand the y is equals to 27 but not the 200. It overrides actually. Actually the way the program is written, this else applies to the last, like the last if statement. If statement, if x is equals to 3. So since x is not equals to 3 then else part is triggered and y is set to 27. So the answer, there is a logic error here because we will give absolutely by seeing the question x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 200 and there is no errors. We will indicate this one as the option correctly. But here there is a logic error. You have to understand the else statement, you have to check it once and then you have to give the answer. Here first option is there is a syntax error and x and y are both set to missing. If in case, let's keep aside of the syntax error, x and y are both set to missing. As we have given the x as 2, why it will get to missing? So the first option is wrong. And the next one is there is a syntax error, x is equals to 2 and y is set to missing. As we don't know the question before, like when we see, we will think that the C option is correct. So we will absolutely, this one we will get to as the wrong option. And this is also, we will think this is the wrong option. So there are no errors and x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 200. We will think that one is the correct, but there is a logic error. You have to understand the else statement is present there and you have to give the answer as x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 27 is the correct statement. So this one is the correct statement. So think once when you answer the question, because if in case if you not answer correctly, you will lost marks. So every mark is very important. So you have to think once you answer the question. You have to check even a single line of code is very important for the exam. And I will explain you this also by running the code in the SAS. And here the same code I have pasted here before. So let me run it. Here there are no errors. You will think that in the logged window the error will be present, but the option may get for confusion. They are giving that. We have to think it. There is a logic error, right? If in case there is if in case there is no logic error, we will think x is equals to 2 and then y is equals to 200. So there is a logic error that you have to understand, and x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 27 is the correct statement. So let's check that. So look here, 2 and 27. So you have to think properly when you answer the question. And that's it. If you have any question, like if you don't understand anything in this particular question, you can ask in the comment section and I will try to answer you. I will try to answer your question. And like the video if you're liking the video, and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos and for the more SAS certification questions. And thank you for watching.